Friends, this is life designer Bichi Tushar, and I help you to come out of your challenges in the shortest possible time. Well, today I'm going to talk to you about coming out of the negativity loop. So many a times, depending upon our past experiences, whatever has happened to us may make us create a belief system. For example, if somebody has wronged you, you have that belief system of people are using me, right? So whenever somebody is doing something good to you also, you begin to think, no, there might be a hidden motive, there might be some agenda because of which that person is being so nice to you. So you're not able to accept the goodness that you receive. So how do you change that negative thought into a positive one? It's natural that you begin to feel negative about something that you have experienced before, because if the experience was uh, very bad, you have created a muscular memory with respect to that experience. So if that experience is that of a hurt, and if that makes you disbelieve in people, then that's a very strong memory. So breaking it becomes a little difficult. It's like you're treading on the same path again and again, again and again, so it gets fixated. So if you want to remove that thought pattern and think positive about a similar event so that you get a positive response. So between the stimulus and the response is your power. The power to take the decision to respond in a positive way so that you get positive results and you grow and evolve as a person. So, one of the best things to do is allow yourself to feel that indecisive moment and then pause. This power of the pause will give you the ability to shift your thought from what you were thinking for years together to a new thought. Because what you were thinking for years together is not working. So, why not think about a new thought? And the new thought should be that people are beautiful, people love and respect me, and they do the best to me. They are very helpful to me. So these are positive statements, or what we call as affirmations, which you keep on affirming, and then slowly and slowly you break up from the negative thought pattern to creating a positive thought pattern. So you have an event which may seemingly be negative, but your thoughts related to that can be positive. When you keep on affirming, people are good, they love and respect me, and only good things happen to me. People are good, they love and respect me, and only good things happen to me. So when you keep on reinforcing the same thought pattern again and again, again and again, then that is the reality that you create. So create your reality with positive affirmations. Remember, you need to do these affirmations every day in the morning 108 times for 21 times and break the loop of negativity. So I believe you can shift from a negative response to a positive response. And yes, the space between the stimulus and the response is your power, the power of choice. So choose wisely and decide to be a positive thinker, to be a possibility thinker. I win when you win. This is life designer Bijit Tushar signing off for now, and stay tuned for more videos. Stay blessed.